This is a documentary about the Kaname. This is Kaname. You can see. It's a pretty bulky hat. You nearly fell down the sofa. This is documentary expert. How does he feel? Is it still working? No, he's zoomed on. No, I'm zoomed. That's Kaname. Well, it looks so funny. There's Kaname. I need to sneak up a bit closer. Oh, God, too close, cat. This is Kaname. Sorry, guys. Kaname is trying to eat the camera. Now I'm taking some pictures. Look at eating. See what he's eating. Some crunchies. Some old crunchies. Snap some pictures of that.